Presenting the Chrysler 2014 Town & Country S. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. This vehicle's top features include 50 state emissions, radio, Uconnect 430 and CD/DVD MP3/HDD nav, Safety Tech, wheels, 17 inches x 6.5 painted black, engine, 3.6L V624 VVVT, 3.16 axle ratio, performance suspension, gross vehicle weight, 650 pounds. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.